Say hello to OGarden Smart, the future of indoor gardening. OGarden Smart is an indoor gardening system that allows you to grow fresh produce at home. Unlike most indoor gardening systems, OGarden Smart can grow up to 90 fruits and vegetables simultaneously, significantly supplementing your grocery shopping in a way that no other indoor gardening system has done before. And since it's indoors, you never have to worry about the weather affecting what you grow or when you grow it. Get perfect fruits and veggies all year round. OGarden Smart is easy to use. Simply place your seeds and growing cups in the nursery cabinet below. When the seeds sprout, transfer them to the wheel. There, they'll grow large enough to harvest. The rotating wheel keeps your roots moist and can host up to 60 plants, while the nursery cabinet below can hold up to 30 plants, giving you a constant rotation of 30 crops at all times. The automatic low-energy consumption LEDs simulate the perfect amount of sunshine, and the automatic watering gives your produce exactly the amount it needs for optimal growth. Growing your produce at home means no pesticides, no herbicides, and no waste. Just incredibly fresh food for you and your family that you can harvest right when you need it. OGarden is clean, bright, beautiful, and the perfect addition to any area of your home. From dinner with your friends to quality time with your family, OGarden is there to provide fresh, delicious produce to you and the ones you love. Through growing our own food, we can educate future generations on sustainable practices and create a real impact in the world. The future of produce is independence and sustainability. We believe OGarden will bring us there. Join us. Back our campaign today and take the next step towards a more sustainable, healthier future.
From the team that brought you Rocket Smart and Codrone, Robolink is bringing a new girl into town, and her name is Zoomy. We're in a world where the use of artificial intelligence is rapidly growing. AI and autonomous driving is the future, but there are limited resources for learning. That's where Zoomy can help. It's the first compact, affordable educational kit focused on self-driving car technology. With Zoomy, you'll learn skills in deep learning, machine vision, basic robotics, Python, self-driving car decision and ethics, and routing algorithms. You can train Zoomy to learn a new route, and she will get better and better as she learns the route. Yay! And Zoomy isn't just for hardcore geeks. Zoomy makes learning about AI approachable for everyone.
Yay!
Zoomy is equipped with industry-standard tools, TensorFlow, and OpenCV. These are the same tools used today by self-driving car engineers. And Zoomy makes learning all this easy to pick up and go. Sounds pretty cool, right? Well, this is where you come in, Kickstarter supporters. We've sold products to thousands of people in schools around the world. Back this project and help us bring Zoomy to more people and students around the world. The team at Robolink is a group of engineers, teachers, designers, and entrepreneurs. Their goal with Zoomy is to make education about AI and self-driving cars accessible and fun.
Yay!
Zoomy, your guide to the exciting world of artificial intelligence and self-driving cars.
Philly, as in many other parts of the world, starting your car when it's cold out can be a challenge. There's nothing worse than trying to start your car and nothing. You could call for roadside assistance, but that might mean waiting a long time in your freezing cold car. Or you could get out your jumper cables and look for someone to ask for help. But if there's no one around, you're stuck. That's where the CarAid Multi-Tool 3S comes in. This compact, ergonomic handheld device will start just about any vehicle that has a 12-volt battery, including most cars and some lightweight pickups. Just hook up the jumper cables to the corresponding positive and negative terminals and turn the key. As long as your battery life is still at 50% or more, the Multi-Tool 3S will start your engine. Handheld jump-start battery technology is still pretty new, and so far, the devices coming out on the market have been bulky and awkward. So we thought, what if it was shaped like a flashlight? The cylindrical shape fits naturally into the human hand, and it also fits into a cup holder for easy access, or in your glove box, door pocket, or console. So convenient. But the patent-pending CarAid Multi-Tool 3S is so much more than just a jump starter. It's also an escape tool that breaks glass and cuts seat belts to save your life in case your car goes underwater. The escape tool and cutter are hidden so kids can't accidentally hurt themselves if they get a hold of it. There's also a convenient compass and even a burglar alarm that makes a loud noise to scare off an attacker. And there's also a power bank that lets you charge an phone, laptop, or other device up to 3 times before needing to be charged itself. In case your car breaks down in the dark, this handy multi-tool also features an ultra-bright mega flashlight that shines up to 230 meters or 755 feet. This water-resistant, dirt-resistant, and shock-resistant tool is a must-have for every car owner for both convenience and safety. The Mega Flashlight also acts as an SOS light and an emergency flasher. Did you know that last year alone, at least 30 people died in the US from being trapped underwater in their car? People in that situation often panic and don't realize until they're submerged that the door won't open and the windows won't roll down because of the water pressure outside the car. Other situations can occur too, in which people can't get their seatbelts unbuckled. That actually happened to a friend of ours. A tree fell during a storm and pinned him in. The CarAid Multi-Tool 3S is just what you need in this situation. And luckily, with it right there in your cup holder or console, all you have to do is grab it and break the window or cut the seatbelt. Its 3 reflective bands help you find it in the dark. Our team is so excited to bring this product to you. After several prototypes, we have finalized what we believe is the perfect design, and we are proud to say that in September 2018, our lawyer filed for our patent. We're official. Tooling, testing, revisions, final prototypes, all are done. And in fact, we have already completed our first manufacturing run, so most backers will receive their multi-tools shortly after our campaign ends. Our next step is to hire more staff and expand production, making larger volume orders possible so we can pass along the price savings to our customers. That's where your support comes in. To be the first on your block to get your own CarAid Multi-Tool 3S and possibly pick up a few extras for your loved ones as well, just look through the rewards and decide on the one that's right for you, then complete your pledge. Thanks so much for your support, and stay safe.
You may know us from one of our 4 previous Kickstarter campaigns. Wandered started out with 2 brothers, shortly after added a third, and is now a small, thriving team of passionate travelers, photographers, and explorers. While our company and team are consistently growing and changing, our reason for coming back to Kickstarter remains the same: to create products that inspire people to get out and live passionately, exploring, creating, and living life in the moment. Every seasoned traveler has experienced the need for a smaller, more compact bag than the one that got them to their destination. A bag for side trips, day trips, morning hikes, grocery runs, and whatever other small excursions come your way. And so the packable bag was born. But the problem is most packable bags are uncomfortable, non-functional, and don't protect your gear. And that's where we come in. The Veer 18-liter pack is the first packable bag with an inflatable camera cube and back panel, and gives you the right balance between having enough bag and keeping it minimal, whether you're a photographer or not. The Protect Air inflatable camera cube can inflate when you need it and deflate when you don't. Once the camera cube is inflated, there is an elastic mesh that cradles the cube perfectly against the back panel, helping keep the weight of your gear securely against your back. This packable camera protection is the first of its kind. It ensures your camera is safe from the other gear inside your pack and protects against the bumps and bruises that most adventures entail. Traditionally, packable bags are uncomfortable, but our inflatable back panel makes all the difference. It adds structure to the bag, and, coupled with our cool air mesh shoulder straps and removable sternum strap, makes loads feel much lighter than they actually are. Having access to your gear is key. One large side zip gives you access to the entire main compartment, so whether you're grabbing your camera or a jacket, the bag never has to leave your shoulder. We have also included an expandable water bottle pocket that can hold up to a 32-ounce bottle, organization pockets on the front and top of the bag, and a key clip. And of course, when the bag is not in use, you can pack it into its own pocket, making it easier to store or travel with. The key clip also makes it simple to clip onto another bag. Outside of a well-thought-out and designed bag, you can rest assured knowing it is made out of high-quality materials. The body of the bag is made of a water-resistant 100 denier Robic Dynatech that is made to last. All the zippers are weather-resistant and give you that extra boost of confidence that your gear will be kept safe. As with all of our gear, the Veer 18 comes with our Wander More, Worry Less lifetime guarantee, which is fitting because you'll never want to give it up. This is the most innovative bag we have ever made, and the biggest leap forward since we launched on Kickstarter 3 years ago. It was made to inspire people to get out and live passionately, exploring, creating, and living life in the moment.